Welcome to Thompson Park. We heard there are really cool trails here.
We're also very excited to see the nature.
Let's go. Wow! Beautiful! Oh, there's more! Oh my gosh, they're everywhere!
The best part of this place
are the beautiful views of the city.
Yes, that one there.
This is the Thompson floating bridge going across the reservoir.
I saw a fish that was like this big. It was massive.
They're all gone now. Yeah.
Alright, so right now we're at the Toronto Harbor Lighthouse at the very end of the trail at Thompson Park. In just it's right there. Alright, in just a second we will show you the beautiful and now abandoned lighthouse. Cool. These places kind of have to. You have to. Radio or something in there.
As you can see, lots of people did graffiti.
Even though that they did graffiti, this is still a pretty cool place to hang out. I mean, look at this. Lighthouse is sick. Once you get to the end of the trail, you'll find yourself a rock beach. It's very rocky.
It's a great place to have a picnic here, but it's a not great place to put a picnic blanket down. As you can see, there's a lot of rocks here. Like the ocean. Put that in the
We had a great time at Thompson Park. We saw tons of wildlife, such as beavers, geese, ferrets, and more.
Bye, see you at the next adventure.